Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of our moving series. I promise you that we are almost finished packing. As you can see, the living room is piled high with boxes today, so we're going to be getting a lot more boxes packed in this video. And I did want to tell you a very happy new year to all my NATZNIFICENT fam, because this video will be going live very shortly after the new year. I'm so sorry that I have not been able to get up all the videos from the moving series before the end of 2023, but it's just been super busy, so I thank you for your patience with me. But in today's video, we are tackling the closet that I consider the pantry. We've named it the pantry. That's where we usually store our food and all of that. The aim on this night was to absolutely clear the pantry out, and I think I finished packing it all up at around 2:30 a.m. thereabout, and then I went to bed. I forgot the day of the week that this was, but I knew that we started packing just around like maybe 9:30, and it took me up until 2:30 to like actually clear out the pantry. And even though it's just a closet with like just two shelves, it was like really kind of challenging for me to go through all this stuff and kind of pack them in a way, because like I said in previous packing videos, I don't like to just throw things in boxes. I like to put things in boxes with an idea or some form of strategy in mind. So that was what I was going through. The bottom half of this pantry situation right here was just packed to the brim with just unnecessary stuff, just lots of like, to be honest, it was one of the areas of the house that I was dreading tackling. But once I got in the groove, I turned on some of my favorite YouTubers that I like to watch, and I just started packing boxes. And before you know it, it was like 2:30 a.m. and I was finally had it cleared. So that is the agenda for today's video, and I hope you enjoy. It was a very good 2023 for the most part. Like, I plan to do a sit down video where I talk about 2023 and our plans for like 2024, but today is not the day for that. Today we are cleaning. So if you have anything that you're trying to do around your house, it's the new year, so maybe you want to clear your house out a bit and try to declutter a bit, this is the video for you. I am so happy to be able to keep your company today. So let's start packing and closing some boxes, because that's the real worth of all of this work, is just seeing boxes packed, stuffed, and ready for movers.
Your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you, our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego.
So one hack that I realized that I turned to while packing up the apartment was basically to build as many boxes as possible. So I knew that I would be cleaning out the pantry here, and so I built a few small boxes and a few big ones so that I do not waste time when I'm trying to put stuff into boxes, taking that extra, I don't know, 1 minute or 2 minutes to build the boxes. I already have boxes ready and built, ready to go. So yeah, I found that this worked easy for me. So if you're ever in the stage of life where you're moving, if you're in your moving era or you're gonna be in your moving era soon, this is one tip I will definitely tell you to explore. Just like if you're gonna tackle a specific area, build a few boxes beforehand so that you can just put things into boxes rather than build a box, pack it, then you have to stop to build another box and pack it again. So yeah, I don't remember exactly what Adam was doing. I think he was probably packing up his stuff because he has a lot of stuff to like pack in terms of equipment wise. So I think that's what he was working on this night. And I was just telling you guys that I am packing the boxes to tackle the pantry. So here in the closet, the top half is where we would store our food, and then the bottom half is kind of like our massive junk cupboard or junk cabinet or whatever you call it. It's just full of crap. There are air fryer boxes down there. There are lots of bags, tapes, decor, like all of that stuff just shoved down there. So that's what this closet is. By the way, you guys, it's the new year. Do you have anything planned? Like, what are your intentions for the new year? I hate to say goals, and I hate to say like, I hate to put number to things like I want to lose this amount of weight. I want to make this amount of money. I have to, I hate to do that kind of stuff. So I rather just like think about it as intentions. So I wanted to throw that question out to my community. Let's talk about our intentions for 2024. What are some of your intentions? As we move through this video, I might mention one or two of my intentions going into 2024, but I will be sitting down with all of you and we'll be talking about goals here shortly. So let's bear that in mind. So yeah, drop a comment down below and tell me what are you most looking forward to in 2024. Like, what's your main intention? And let's chat.
Here it goes, here it goes. Oh, here it goes. Oh, here it goes. Here it goes, here it goes. With his humble lack and everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie.
If you are working alongside me, you guys, we are just about 9.5 minutes into today's packing video. I hope that you're probably doing some form of work alongside me. If you are, a great job, keep it up. We are almost there. Well, actually, no, we're not almost there. We have a few minutes to get through. In today's video, I think it's like half an hour long, so you have lots of time to tackle a specific place in your house, a drawer, do some decluttering, do some organizing, mop your floor, sweep your floor, take down Christmas, do whatever it is. I'm right here keeping your company. But since as we're here, let's talk about one of my main goals for 2024. I think for me this year, I really want to prioritize my mental health. I feel as if 2023 really tested my mental health to the extreme. I don't think I've ever been at such a low where my mental health is concerned. And if you follow me on Instagram too, and even here on YouTube, like, I always share this stuff. I do not hide away from like my struggles mental health wise. As a matter of fact, the last time I posted a picture of me crying on Instagram, I got so much backlash from people who I didn't even think I would get backlash from, because it's like I was in a moment, I was feeling it. Yes, I took a picture, because the thing about me is I like to take pictures of happy moments and even sad moments, because it gives me motivation, especially at the end of like 2023, to like look back at where I was at a certain month or a certain time and be like, look how far I've come, And I decided to share that photo, and oh my god, the amount of comments I got. I even got a comment that I am like literally begging money. Like, there was no part of that post that was like insinuating that I was in need of financial help in any way, shape, or form. But people were like, oh my god, you're crying on the internet because you need money. And I'm like, people actually are out here struggling with their mental health, and I think it's not something that is widely openly discussed anyway, especially as women, and especially as mothers, and especially as postpartum, like mothers postpartum and all of that. So yeah, my mind basically has been really messed up for a long time, but especially in 2023, we've dealt with so much difficulty. And I just feel as if 2024, I want to be more intentional with my mental health, with the persons that I allow in my life, and just like the relationships that I foster. So that is going to be my top priority in 2024. We're still in the pantry. We're going to be here for the entire video today. So again, if you're working inside me, keep going. We got this, and you're doing a fantastic job.
I guess I'm gonna stay, but I'm just gonna wait in the background, watching you talk to her. I know this might look bad, but I'm just gonna melt in the background, watching you lean into her. I'm a fool, I just wanna get close to you. Yeah, I wanna get close. I'm a fool, I know. Are you thinking about us too? Are you missing it just like I do? Are you worried about me too? 'Cause I'm thinking aloud, I'm wondering about you, eh?
Ever moved before, I would love for you to tell me what's the worst part of moving for you. Like, for me, and this experience, especially because this was a bigger move for us, I think the worst part of the moving experience for me was using the bubble wraps. Like, I hate just spending the extra 5 or 10 seconds to like cut bubble wrap, get tape, wrap the stuff properly, tape it, and then securely put it in the box. I think it takes way too much time. I do not like bubble wrapping. What's your pet peeve about moving? Let me know also in the comments below.
I don't even know what it feels like when your eyes are staring at me. I miss them. I'm about to lose it. All of my friends telling me to leave for the night. It's for the best. I'm a
Alright, just popping in at the end of this song to let you know that I am almost done with the pantry area. As I said, the pantry area is the upstairs part of this whole closet, and then we have to tackle the bottom half. We're almost done with the pantry section up here, and I just wanted to point out how many sugar powder or powdered sugar you'll see me packing up here shortly, and it just goes to show you how teeny tiny the products are in Japan. Like in America, maybe even in Jamaica too, like you can get like a big thing of like powdered sugar and you have that, but in Japan they literally said like the biggest size powdered sugar you can get is like 200 grams in a little packet. And so if I'm making like buttercream frosting for a cake or something, I need at least 6 of those in order to make like a big batch of frosting. And then every single time I bake a cake, I buy frosting because I always forget that I already have like extra bags in the pantry, and then so I end up with a gazillion amount of powdered sugar. So yeah, here I am separating like cookie cutters. I was trying to separate the Christmas cookie cutters from like the regular from the regular cookie cutters that you'll use on your day to day, like to cut out pretty shapes for the carrots and the potatoes and all of that. My son does not eat all of that stuff, but I still have them accessible, just in case I feel like I want to like be like prepare something nice and then be ignored. But the Christmas cookie cutters, they go into the Christmas decoration pile, so I wanted to separate those. All right, if you're working alongside me, let me know down in the comments. Also, I feel as if I'm sending you down in the comments a lot in this video because honestly I'm working in one place in the house and there's not really much to talk about, so I'm just trying to have conversation with you guys. What are you working on alongside me in today's video? Like, what are you cleaning? What are you decluttering? What is your aim watching this video? And also, if you're just like relaxing and you're like, girl, I've done enough today, I'm just trying to catch a break, then girl, you're welcome to stay and just relax and watch me do the work, okay?
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy and you don't let. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, forget I'm made this way, but why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy and you don't let. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, darling.
We have started tackling the bottom half of the closet area here, and I just wanted to let you know we have about 8 minutes left in today's video. So if you're also working alongside me, now is the time to like shift gears, put it in like high speed, like go over the speed limit, and let's try to wrap this up in the next 8 minutes. But also I wanted to let you know that you see, like with the editing process and the production process of YouTube videos, like the 29 minutes or the few minutes that you see me tackling the under area here of the closet, it took me way more time. Like at one point I had to just stop filming because I was getting really overwhelmed with the amount of stuff that was under there, and I was really concerned about like what we should keep and bring to the new house, what we should throw away. I was like in this mind-boggling, like tied up, wrapped up concentration mood where like I don't want to throw this away because what if, you know, we end up using it, but also it's from Daiso, so it's like I can throw it away and then if I need it I can just get it at Daiso again, but also that would be wasting money, so how about I keep it? So it's like a whole thing. So I decided to just take a break from that and wrap the bubble wrap things that I was also putting off because I don't like it. But yeah, I eventually had to stop recording what I was doing down here and just kind of like focused and concentrated on what I wanted to do right here. So that's the whole thought process. I just wanted to let you know, like, look how much stuff is under this thing. Like, I just looking at this even right now after it was said and done, and it has been said and done, stresses me out. So you can imagine how I was feeling in this moment. The house was already cluttered and all of that stuff. So yeah, I had to like stop filming. So you do not actually get to see me working from start to end under here, but in the next video all of this will be cleared out and we'll have all of this back, this closet sorted.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more, talking to you. And here we go again, staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign. Give me texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me one more.
I want to thank you so much for joining today's video and working alongside me today. And if you weren't working alongside me, thank you so much for clicking on this video and sitting down and watching, or actually spending 28 minutes out of your day with me. I really appreciate it. I really look forward to posting more here this year and creating and building further relationship with my Nats fam. So thank you very much. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel and you like the content that you see here, please consider subscribing, and of course give this video a like. It really helps my channel a lot. And yeah, I will see you in the next video here very, very soon. We're almost at the end, so let's wrap it up. And of course, let me know. Please comment the strong arm emoji in the comments if you actually worked alongside me and you did a task and we are both celebrating together because we got it all done. See you in the next video, guys. Love you all. Bye.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking.